Hi guys, good morning, this is Lim. Today I'm at Everywhere at Walden Way. Today my mom is leaving and also I have no school today because they didn't have grade up company. Free webinar. They can with my mom free. Hope you have a wonderful day. And please let me know as soon as possible. And here's my number, 754-971-3413. Please let me know. I love you. And thank you. Have a good day. Thank you.